Hello and welcome to another HMS. How to make that sound. Yes. And here on my Doctor's Big Acid channel today, we're gonna teach you how to make a psychedelic night full-on lead using Sylenth1. Yes, so what we're gonna do today is this sound right here. Yep. So let's get in the studio, do that, and I'll see you in a minute. 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, depends.
Hey guys, so today we're going to use Sylenth to do a night full on lead. It's what I call the cat lead because it sounds like a cat screaming. And we done this with Vanguard before, so the principles are pretty much the same. But let's see. I'm gonna use the same melody I used last time. So you guys know the drill. It's either a high pass filter or a band pass filter. I'd rather go for high pass. But band pass does a bit of a different job. And I usually have a little bit of resonance in there. Just a bit of drive. Like 12 dB. We're gonna do our we're gonna assign our pitch to an envelope here. And where's our pitch here? And assign our filters to an LFO. I like to have it on free. Distortion, let's do. A little bit of chorus there. Turn on warm drive. Let's try with retrigger off on the oscillator. You don't want to use too much pitch. So I'm just going to show you an alternative to use an envelope, but use an LFO for the pitch as well. So I'm just going to turn off our oscillator, our envelope here. forget about it. I forgot we don't have well, we have offset, but I was really looking for a delay. Oh yes, we can do that with, yeah, if I control the gain from this LFO with an envelope, we might achieve something similar. So let's just set this up first. So do I have gain gain LFO LFO2 gain, that's it. So if I control F LFO2 gain with this envelope, which means I'll control this control here, so I put that down right now. So that's an alternative, is a different sound as well. Let's try pulse waves module, different waveforms, shall we? And let's add another one, another oscillator. Because we have another one, let's mess about with the phases. Octave up for this one. A bit more distortion maybe. So what happens if we add this one? Too much. So we can have an opposite effect. Instead of using decay, if we use here on this envelope, I'll turn this guy off for now, which means this LFO is not doing anything. But if here on the first envelope, instead of using decay, we use attack, we get kind of a reversed effect. So listen to this with decays like this. Now with attack. Kind of depends on what you're going for. I like I rather use the decay. Again, you can use like negative effects for this. Notice with these kind of leads, we're doing very little tweaks. We're not going shitloads, really high values and stuff. It's just little tweaks. So let's, we're talking about bandpass. Let's check out what happens with the bandpass. And let's touch a bit of the cutoff frequency. So that's it. two, well, I gave you like 3 or 4 leads here just on this tutorial. But yeah, let's check out again with the LFO gain technique that I've showed you. So now it's the envelope controlling this gain knob for the LFO2 that is controlling the pitch. And the leads, the way it's written, we got this. So yeah, having the 2 octaves here. So I'll try to stretch these up and see what happens there. Okay. Okay, experiment with those techniques. Have fun, guys. See you on the next one.
Sampled kicks are for losers. Damn right, bro. Be original. Make your own kick. With the Mind Doctor's Make Acid Kick Gel Synth Machine. Welcome back, young man. Here we are. Back again. Yes. Beautiful, isn't it? So now that you know how to do a Nightfall on lead using Sylenth, what are you waiting for? Let's do some Nightfall on leads with Sylenth1. What a great synthesizer they made up. Now you know you have to follow us on Twitter, SoundCloud, and Facebook. Yes, all of them are waiting for you to follow us. Give us a donation, be so kind to give us a donation. Donations are very welcome, and if you can't give us a donation, share these with other people that would love to see it. So like and share this video right now. Yeah, please. Now, you know we have kick gel, bass gel, and kick and bass gel for sale, and those plugins, I gotta tell you, they're beautiful, great plugins for Windows. Yes, Windows, not Mac. Mac sucks. Now, please don't sue me. Now, yes, we also have some services for you. Yes, young man, we have analysis. Video analysis, that's right. We give you video analysis. You send us your track, or your mix, or just a full track, and we'll tell you. We'll let you know where you can improve. What a great way to give you a great service to improve your music. That's right. We also have other services like mixing, mastering, and we give lessons through Skype. Yes, online lessons telling you how to make music on your computer. Yep, that's right. Now, one more thing. Go to our website. Go to our website and check out our packs, our sample packs, and our projects. We have a project there right now for Studio One. We'll be having more for Cubase and for Ableton Live. Yes, Cytron's music projects and other ones in the future. Sample packs, presets, and stems will also be available soon. There's only one sample pack for now, but more will be available soon. So go now to mind.acid.com. I'll see you on the next show. Oh yes, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and subscribe to our Portuguese channel. Yeah, the Portuguese channel, which is Dr. Audio Mental, looks like me, but it ain't me. So, see you on the next show.
Number 15, And as you can see, I went to my uncle's studio today, and you are now seeing is my uncle's new set of monitors. He just acquired them. They're like high-tech monitors.